next step is you've got to be productive. Write this down, please. You've got to be productive. You know what? I want to talk about time management. Kasi that's what my topic is all about. Pero, my personal belief about that is I don't believe in time management. And you know why? Pinipilit na kayahin yung form sa kaya katulad ko. But in my personal opinion, there is no such thing as time management. Why? Because you cannot manage time. Think about it. How many hours do we have in a day? 24 hours. How about ito sa kaliwa? Ito narinig yung boss na mula sa kaliwa. 12 hours. So pare-pareho lang tayo may 24 na oras sa isang araw. Sino dito mayroong 30 oras sa araw? Nakaiba ka. Diba? May sarili kang time zone. Sino mayroong 48 hours per day? Grabe, di ba? So, pare-pareho lang tayo ng 24 hours a day. Pero bakit kaya yung ibang tao mas maraming na-accomplish? Bakit kaya meron kailangan mahirap? Bakit meron successful at hindi successful? Kasi, it's not really time that we are managing. It is ourselves and our priorities. Pare-pareho lang 24 hours, pero ano? Ilang oras ka mong matulog? 10 oras mo matulog. Diba? Ang sabi, 6 to 8 hours tama na yan. Healthy sleeping pattern na yan. Pero yung iba, ilang oras ka mong matulog? Lahat ng araw. Or buong araw. E paano ka mag-productive na lang naman ang tulog? Right? Yung iba naman, gising nga, pero ang tanongin mo sa inyo, anong ginagawa mo sa oras na gising ka? Are you doing something productive to contribute to your life and to your loved ones? Or wala? Ayun guys, anong ginagawa niyo pag gising kayo? Are you guys strolling in the mall? Are you guys spending more time with your boyfriend or girlfriend? Are you guys doing not so important things in life? O kayo ba ay kasi mag-aral? Knowledge, skills, and abilities sa pamamagitan na mag-join ng iba't organizations. Guys, you get my point? So, it's not how many hours you just sleep. Okay? It's what you do in life that determines if you are productive or not. So guys, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng healthy academic life, academic college life, you've got to make sure that marami kayong ginagawa. At yung mga ginagawa nyo ay makakapagpapala sa inyo sa mga goals